Welcome to STEM Quick Wins. These quick, hands-on activities are all about exploring science in fun and simple ways. Observing and mixing matter. Matter is all around you. It is anything that has mass and takes up space. Most matter on Earth occurs in three common states: solid, liquid, or gas. Sometimes matter can change. A physical change is a change in a physical property of matter that doesn't change its chemical properties. In other words, the matter stays the same kind of matter, but it may look or feel different, like if you cut something in half or when an ice cube melts into water. A chemical change occurs whenever matter changes into an entirely different substance with different chemical properties.
Hi, I'm Michaela.
And I'm Gigi.
And today we'll be observing and mixing matter. There are three common types of matter on the Earth. Gigi, can you tell me what that is?
Solid, liquid, and gas. Get a piece of paper. Do something to the paper to change it in some way. Chances are you ripped, cut, folded, wrote on, or crumpled the paper.
You just did physical changes to the paper, because no matter how many times you tore it or how much you crumpled it, it's still paper. Now we're going to investigate some other types of matter.
Now, get a small cup of water and 3 color tabs. 1 yellow, 1 red, and 1 blue.
Gigi, what states of matter are these?
The water is liquid and the color tabs are solids. Spread the color tabs out on the plate. Make a prediction about what you think will happen when you add water to the color tabs. If you noticed any bubbling or fizzing, then you observed a chemical change to the color tab as a new gas was produced. Can you use the color tab to create a color wheel that includes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple?
So what colors did we start with?
Red, yellow, and blue.
Yeah, those are primary colors. What colors were you able to create?
Purple, orange, and green.
Those are secondary colors. There are many ways to observe and mix matter. We hope you have fun making your own.